In this video, I will show you how to go about the making of this two-layered Ankara dress with Basque waistline. This is the drafting and the cutting, and in the next video, I will show you how to sew them. Please keep watching. I am Agnes. Welcome to my channel, Sew with Agnes. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. These are my Ankara fabrics for the bustier and for the two layers. And I have my pattern paper to draft and to transfer to the main fabric. I have my marker, my tape measure, my ruler, and my scissors. It's an off-shoulder bustier, so I placed the tape measure 6 inches on the starting line. Then I marked the bust line 11 inches, the under bust 15 inches, the waistline 16, then the hip line 25. So I extended the points. Then I connected them with my ruler. So to mark the dart, I use the nipple to nipple measurement. The nipple to nipple is 8 inches divided by 2. So I have 4. Then I added half inch. So I marked 4.5 right through. I connect the point. So on the waistline, I marked half inch on both sides. So on the under bust, I marked 1 inch on both sides. From the hip line, I came up by 3 inches. The bust, I came down by 1 inch and I went up by 1 inch again for the ease at the bust area. So at the starting line, I marked 1 inch on both sides. Then I connected the points. From that 3 inches up to the half inch, then up to the 1 inch, then I connected them to the 1 inch under the bust. Then I connect this as well. So I have to cut this out later. So let's mark the body's measurement now. Our bust is 44. Divide by 4. I have 11 inches. I mark it. Plus 2 inches for the dart. Then 1.5 inches for sewing allowance. So I have 14.5. I mark the same on the starting line. Then on the waistline, our waist is 38 inches. Divide by 5. I have 9.5. Plus 2 inches. Then plus 1.5 inches. Then the hip is 46 inches. Divided by 5. I have 11.5 inches. Plus 2. Then plus 1.5. So I'll connect them like so. So this is for the front panel. I will cut. Then for the back, I marked the half inch for the starting line. Then 1 inch at the center front for the zipper allowance. 1.5, sorry, 1.5 inches for zipper allowance. So I placed the tape measure again 6 inches above. Then I marked the bust point 11 inches. Then the half length because we don't need the under bust for the back. Then the hip line. The hip line is 25. The half length is 16 inches. Then the bust line is 11 inches. I connected the point like so. I marked the that again 4.5 inches. Then on the waistline, I marked half inch on both sides. On the hip line, I came up by 3 inches. Then I connected them like so. So I have to cut this dart out. So on the bust line, I marked the bust 44 divided by 4, 11 inches plus 1 inch, then plus 1.5 inches. Please note that all the markings for the bodies start from the zipper area, from the zipper line, sorry, the zipper line of 1.5 inches. So on the waistline, I marked the waist measure 38 divided by 4, 9.5. Then I added the allowances. Then on the hip, 46 divided by 4, and added the allowances of 1 inch and 1.5. And I connected them. So on the waist area, I go in by 1 inch, by half inch, sorry. So half inch to avoid zipper bulging. Then I came up by 1 inch on the down part. So I'll have to cut them out. So I'll connect the half inch like so. I have to cut it out as well because of this, to avoid this zipper bulging. Then I'll add the half inch again at this other end on the waistline. Which is all for the back. Let's cut it out now. The 1 inch I slanted it. So this is it. This is for the back panel and this is for the front panel. So let's transfer them now to the main fabric. So this is the center front. To be unfold, this is the center, the side. Then this is the center back and this is the side back. So this is my fabric. I have to mark so differentiate the right side from the wrong side. It's an high quality Ankara fabric, so you know from the self edge the right things. So you have to mark it before cutting, and you have to make sure also for Ankara like this that have patterns, you have to make sure that the patterns are standing straight. Like this, we have horses. Make sure that the horses are standing, no, they are not turned upside down. So I placed the center front and I marked half inch on the from the dart area like so, half inch. Then I'll cut it out. I'll cut another one for the lining. So I place the side front as well, like so. Then pin it well, then I'll cut it out. On the dart area, I marked half inch as well before cutting. So I have to, because it's on fold. Then I put the side back. Okay, this is the side back. I cut it out as well. I marked the half inch for the dart. This is the center back where the zipper is. I marked half inch on the dart area as well. So this is the front. For the front, I cut out the same fabric as the lining. So this is the lining. I marked it as big X. Then I marked arrow up, so I will know it's the upper part. Then this is the lining for the side. The arrow up, so I'll know it's the upper part, yes, because the upper and the down part looks the same. So this is for the front and this is for the back. So the back, I've also cut out the lining for them. I marked the arrow up so that I'll not make mistake while sewing. So I ironed ST on all the linings, then I padded the bustier. So thank you for watching, and I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.